Do you feel tired, have abdominal pain, or digestive problems? Then your liver might be overloaded and urgently in need of a cleanse. Today, we'll discuss the best foods to cleanse and revitalize the liver. When we think about a liver cleanse, it's common to imagine it's full of toxins. But actually, the liver isn't a storage unit for toxins. It's an organ that tirelessly works to neutralize and remove harmful substances from our bodies, like toxins, poisons, and chemicals. However, the liver can accumulate fat, which is especially common in people with fatty liver disease. In these cases, toxins can store in fat cells and compromise the liver's function. When the liver becomes inflamed, it heals by forming scar tissue, which can lead to more serious conditions like cirrhosis, loss of function, and other health issues. So today, our goal is to talk about foods that can help the liver regain its full detoxifying capacity, and the best part is that this restoration can be fully supported by choosing the right foods. To start, we need to understand some of the liver's vital functions because they help us realize the importance of this organ and why we should keep it healthy. First and foremost, the liver is a true detox station for our body. It works to remove and neutralize harmful substances that enter our system. Moreover, the liver produces bile, a substance essential for digesting fats. Bile acts like a detergent, breaking down fat molecules and allowing the body to absorb fat-soluble nutrients. Another interesting function of the liver is hormone production, including a critical anabolic hormone, IGF-1, insulin-like growth factor 1. IGF-1 works alongside growth hormone to aid in fat burning, muscle building, and protein metabolism. In addition to IGF-1, the liver is responsible for producing steroid hormones like estrogen, progesterone, testosterone, and cortisol, the body's most important anti-inflammatory hormone. Vitamin D3, which acts like a hormone in the body, is also synthesized in the liver. A significant portion of the body's cholesterol is produced by the liver, and guess what it uses for this? Carbohydrates, especially sugars. So, if you consume a lot of carbohydrates, you could be overloading your liver with cholesterol production. As we can see, the liver is a central regulator for the body, even helping to balance hormone levels. For instance, if there's an excess of estrogen or cortisol in the body, the liver buffers these hormones through transport proteins, maintaining balance. Now that you understand a bit more about liver functions, let's discuss the signs that it might be overworked. One of the first symptoms of liver damage is unexplained itching all over the body. Additionally, the skin and eyes may develop a yellowish tint, a condition known as jaundice. Another common symptom is fatigue and lethargy. Joint pain or muscle stiffness can also indicate liver issues. Other symptoms include nausea, reduced cognitive function, and, in more serious cases, gallstones. This happens because the liver isn't producing enough bile, leading to cholesterol buildup in the gallbladder. Now, let's get to the good stuff. Which foods can improve liver health? The first group of foods that helps with liver cleansing is cruciferous vegetables, like broccoli, kale, Brussels sprouts, arugula, and radishes. These veggies contain sulforaphane, a powerful compound that aids in liver detox and reduces inflammation. Chronic inflammation can lead to issues like insulin resistance, diabetes, and even cancer, so sulforaphane is essential. Plus, it can help reduce liver fat. For added benefits, try incorporating broccoli or radish sprouts into your diet. Sprouts have even higher concentrations of sulforaphane, giving you a more powerful detox effect. Here's a tip: avoid overcooking these vegetables to preserve the enzymes that activate sulforaphane. Adding a bit of mustard to the dish also helps maintain the compound's effectiveness. Another incredible food for the liver is garlic. Rich in sulfur, garlic acts as a natural antibiotic and helps reduce liver fat. Additionally, it's a source of vitamin B1 and has anti-inflammatory and antioxidant properties, which are great for the heart too. Turmeric also deserves a spotlight. Its active compound, curcumin, is a potent anti-inflammatory that can help the liver recover from damage caused by medications, such as painkillers. Turmeric also helps eliminate heavy metals, like lead and mercury, from the body. It's a superfood that helps stabilize mitochondria, essential for cancer prevention. By following a low-carb diet and incorporating turmeric regularly, you're giving your liver extra support for better health. Beets are another excellent food for the liver. They help lower liver enzyme levels and release bile salts, which reduce liver fat. In addition, beets have hepatoprotective properties, meaning they protect liver cells from damage. Some people worry about beets' carb content, but eating them cooked with fiber lowers their glycemic impact. Mushrooms, especially turkey tail and oyster mushrooms, are rich in glutathione, a crucial antioxidant for the liver. Glutathione works to protect and repair liver cells, boosting the liver's resistance to damage. Another ally is avocado, packed with glutathione and antioxidants that reduce liver inflammation. Just small amounts, like 1 avocado a week, can provide significant benefits. Avocado helps lower the risk of conditions like hepatitis and cirrhosis, and its anti-inflammatory effects are key to maintaining liver function. Finally, extra virgin olive oil. Even a small amount, like a teaspoon on a salad, can reduce liver fat, improve insulin sensitivity, and lower insulin resistance. Extra virgin olive oil is a potent anti-inflammatory and helps regulate metabolism. These foods are powerful allies for maintaining a healthy, high-functioning liver. Keeping a diet rich in cruciferous vegetables, garlic, turmeric, beets, mushrooms, avocado, and extra virgin olive oil can help ensure your liver has all the detoxifying capacity it needs. I hope these tips were helpful. If you'd like more health and wellness tips, give this video a like, subscribe to the channel, and comment "I have perfect health" below. See you in the next video. Take care.